Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you does YouTube TV include YouTube Premium. Now here we are, and we are here in YouTube TV, and as you can see in their pricing, it doesn't involve YouTube Premium right here. It doesn't say that it has YouTube Premium because YouTube Premium is a totally separate membership that you have, because YouTube TV, you can only view contents right here that is like on TV. It's literally like a television. You have your television channels right here, compared to YouTube Premium, where you have your YouTube Music, you have your standard content for YouTube, like from content creators and so on right here. So this is where you do it. And for YouTube TV is literally like a channel. So the short answer is that YouTube TV doesn't involve YouTube Premium because it is a separate membership from YouTube TV, as said by Google itself right here. So no, it doesn't include it. That is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.